Imagine waking up one day and seeing your investment skyrocket overnight. The crypto world has made this dream a reality of some. But the real question is, which path gets you there faster, altcoins or meme coins? In today's video, we are going to compare the wild and fluid world of meme coins with the steady, more reliable rise of altcoins. Want to find out which type of coins could make you a millionaire the fastest? Let's dive in. Let's start with altcoin. Altcoin refer to any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin, and they are designed to offer more functionality, innovation, and use cases than the king of crypto itself. Popular altcoins, the Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, are examples of projects that have real-world applications, such as smart contracts, DeFi platforms, or NFT ecosystems. Altcoins are typically seen as safer investment compared to meme coins, offering potential long-term gains. While they might not offer overnight riches, they often grow steadily, gaining value as their ecosystem expands and gain adoption. Think of altcoin as the marathon runners of the crypto world, slow and steady, but often rewarding in the long term. Altcoins have strong fundamentals, clear roadmaps, and dedicated terms behind them. If you are looking for more stable, long-term investment, altcoins are usually the smarter choice. The chances of losing your entire investment are lower compared to the volatile meme coins market. Now, let's talk meme coin. These coins are often created as joke or community-driven projects with no inherent utility or long-term development goals. Coins like Dogecoins and Shiba Inu becomes widely popular because of their meme status, community hype, and endorsement from big names like Elon Musk. Here is where things get interesting. Meme coins have the potential to offer explosive short-term gains. The price of a meme coin can skyrocket overnight based purely on social media trends, celebrity tweets, or viral movements. But with these insane gains from extreme risk, for every Dogecoin millionaire, there are thousands who have been burned by rug pulls or massive price crashes. Meme coins can generate life-changing money fast, but only for those time their entry and excite perfectly. The reality is meme coins rely heavily on path and speculation, which means they can collapse just as quickly as they rise. To understand which one makes you a millionaire faster, let's break down the core differences. Altcoins usually have a clear purpose and are built on projects aimed at improving blockchain technology or solving real-world problems. Meme coins, on the other hand, thrive on social media buzz and don't typically offer much in terms of functionality of real-world utility. Altcoin tends to have more stable growth trajectories, making them less prone and sudden drastic price swings. Meme coins are notorious for their volatility. Prices can shoot up by 1000% in a week and crash fast, making them far riskier but also more rewarding if timed correctly. If timed correctly. Altcoins are more likely to often steady, long-term growth. If you are patient and willing to wait for projects to mature, you could see significant returns over time. For example, early investors in Ethereum or Solana saw massive gains as these ecosystems expanded. Meme coins, on the other hand, offer a much faster path to wealth, but with extreme risk. If you have invested early in Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, you could have made millions during their meteoric rise. But the flip side on that, many meme coins also lose value quickly, so the window of opportunity is often short. The secret to becoming a millionaire in a crypto world is not necessarily choosing between altcoins or meme coins. It's about diversify your portfolio and having a solid strategy. Consider having a mix of both type of coins. Altcoins for long-term steady gains. These are the fundamental of your portfolio, offering stability and the potential of slow, consistent growth. Meme coins for short-term, high-risk plays. Use them to capitalize on hype cycles, but never bet more than you can afford to lose. Another pro tip: keep an eye on the crypto news and social media trends. Meme coins can pump at any moment, and timing in everything. In the race to millionaire status, both altcoin and meme coins have their place. Altcoins provide solid, reliable growth over time, while meme coin offer thrilling opportunities for quick riches.
Cryptocurrency, crypto tokens, TON ecosystem in 2024. All this sounds like a futuristic movie full of rapid changes, technological breakthroughs, new players, and huge opportunities. The internet is buzzing with news about how tokens on TON have taken the market by storm. What is this beast, you ask? What is TON and tokens? Let's figure it out together. What is TON? TON, or the Open Network, is a highly scalable and fast blockchain platform, making it an ideal choice for earning with cryptocurrency in 2024. TON offers low transaction fees and high security, which are crucial for profitable cryptocurrency activities. Additionally, its innovative technology and growing ecosystem provide numerous opportunities for investors. Now let's look at what earning options it offers. Staking on TON. The first method is staking on TON. Staking is a way of depositing your funds to support the network, for which you receive a reward. Starting to stake on TON is simple. All you need to do is register on the platform, choose an asset for staking, and start earning income. This can be USDT or other tokens. For example, let's look at you. You deposit your funds, then the platform uses them to provide liquidity. Next, you receive a part of the income. The income you reach up to 50% per year. Staking on TON has the potential to provide stable income with minimal effort. However, it's crucial to carefully evaluate the risks associated with the security of your funds. While staking might seem as simple as depositing your money and earning, it is important to be cautious because there is always a risk of the platform being hacked, which could compromise your funds entirely. What is mining? The second way is mining. Mining is the process of extracting cryptocurrency using computational power. In 2024, mining remains popular but requires significant investments in equipment and electricity. The benefits of mining include the possibility of long-term income and independence from market fluctuations. However, for successful mining, you need to consider the costs of equipment and electricity. For example, calculations show that mining Bitcoin requires specialized equipment that costs a significant amount. What is trading? The third way of trading tokens on TON. Trading involves buying and selling tokens to profit from the price changes. Trading requires knowledge and experience but can bring significant profits. Key trading strategies include long-term investments and day trading. For example, the DCA strategy involves regularly buying small amounts of cryptocurrency to smooth out market volatility. For successful trading, it's important to keep track of news and market analysis. Investors need to be aware of this latest events and news that can affect the market. Trading on the TON platform can be profitable due to low fees and high liquidity. It's a good idea to start with smaller amounts, then gradually increase your understanding and investments as you gain confidence. Earning with TON is easy and profitable with staking, mining, and trading. These methods provide various income opportunities depending on your level of experience and willingness to take risks. These methods are suitable for different types of investors and can bring stable income. For example, beginners can start with small amounts using staking or day trading, while those with more experience can invest in mining. There are other ways to earn, which we will discuss in the future videos. Subscribe to our channel, leave comments, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends, and good luck with your investments.